Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at Birmingham Audi. It's a new car day. I'm always super excited whenever there's a new car day. I'm upstairs, and as this is an approved used car, the approved used cars are usually upstairs, and they've got a vast variety of the cars that they showcase up here. I'm now going to go over and unveil the car. Let's see if some of you guys got this car right based on the comments that you put through on the last vid where I was talking to you guys about replacing the Macan S. Macan S has now unfortunately gone, and I'm now really looking forward to my new venture with this brand, Audi. So guys, the new car is right there behind us. Any guesses so far? Let's go and unveil it. So guys, I've now just taken delivery of the Audi A7. I'm super excited. The deal that's been done on this car by Audi Solihull has been fantastic. A huge shout out to them and the team, Omar, Jason and Scott. You know, they've handled the whole situation. Everything done on this car with tight deadlines, you know, bang on. Of course, you know, the Porsche Macan has gone, and this is going to be the replacement for this car. It's Quattro, so I'm really excited to kind of be like driving this car in weather like today. It's raining, hence why I'm sat in the car. I'm not gonna do like the first drive vid of this car today, only because I just want to get to know the car as well, and you know, kind of play with all the toys. Hopefully guys, you have enjoyed this vid. Stay tuned, because the next vid is going to be more of that first drive and going through all the gadgets on this car, and hopefully by that point I'll know a little bit more about it myself as well. So thanks guys for watching, and if you have enjoyed this vid, give it a like, share, leave a comment in the comment section below if you think that this car is quite a nice change to the Porsche Macan. And hopefully guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care, bye.